Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to exploit Metasploitable with Metasploit on Kali Linux. So this is just going to be a simple video, and I'll assume you've already had Metasploitable installed as well as Kali Linux in a virtual box environment. It's all set up. So I'm going to just go to my Metasploitable virtual machine, and we're going to find out the IP address of it. And you can see that it is 192.168.1.85, so we'll use that. So let's just do first a simple nmap scan on it. There we go. So while we let that scan, let's start up Metasploit. And here are the exploits that we'll be using. So there are a total of 7 remote server exploits that we'll be using. And all of these get a command shell. So what the scan does just basically gets the server's versions of all the ports on Metasploitable. Okay, so here's our Metasploit. Running version 4.6.2, but that probably doesn't really matter because we're using old exploits anyway. So let's just start with the first one here. It's an Unreal IRC backdoor. So we'll use that. See our options. Set our host. Here we are. Scan takes a while because there are so many ports on Metasploitable. So let's just go ahead and exploit this. Very simple. And it's been successfully exploited. So we have our first command shell session opened. So use current working directory, go to the root, and that's all the file over there. So we can exit out of that and go to the next exploit. Still taking its time. This one is a FTP exploit. Very easy to exploit again, so let's use it. So options. Again, all you need is the R host, which is the exact same thing. There we are. And just type in exploit. You can use tab completion to make it very simple. And we have our second command shell opened. So again, go open directory, grab the root, see all the files, and you can do whatever you want. You have full access to the system. So let's import that. So it'll take its time. Let's try the next exploit. It's a PHP injection exploit. There we are. Again, all you need is the R host here. Exploit. And we have a material section. So this is a lot more powerful. For working directory, you can see we're right there. And now we've moved to root directory. And so here's our material section. Let's move this background that. You can go back to that later if you want. Just check out our next exploit. DRB, remote code execution. Let's use this. So options. We are. So again, oops, let's set URI. There we are. You need to follow this format right here. 1.85, or I believe it's 8787. So you can export that. And there we go. Working directory, we're in the root, and there are all our files, directories. Support that. And this is finally finished. Let's check out the nmap scan. So here's the report posted up. So you can see there are tons of open ports here, all these different services. We just exploited this one, just SSH open, telnet, simple message, transport protocol, all these open services. And there's a lot more stuff you can do besides these remote exploits. So you can see all the services running. It's running Linux. So that's about it. So we have a couple more left. It's a user map exploit. It's called over Metasploit. This is exploit Samba. For options, again, all you need is the our host. You can set that. And exploit. And there you go. So again, you have full access. Very simple. A couple more left. Try this one. And for most of these, you only need the host, which is pretty much the same. Exploit. And there we go. Working directory, C, and now we're going to say root directory. And again, I'm using tab completion when I type exploit, the tab button, and it completes it out for you. So let's try our last one. This is the Java exploit. There we are. Options. Again, this one, still all you need is our host. Which is the exact same thing. Exploit. And there you go. This time we have an interpreter session. So that's nice. This interpreter. And grown roots. So there we go. Just background this. Oops. Here are sessions. So here are two interpreter sessions. The rest of the command shell ones we ended, but these interpreter ones stay if you just background them. So that's about it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer them for you.